So imagine you've got this awesome idea for a YouTube channel, but the thought of creating videos always seemed like this huge, complicated mountain to climb. Well, welcome to 2025, where AI is basically your personal content creation superhero. Here's the deal. You know how we used to spend hours researching, writing scripts, finding perfect images, and recording voiceovers? Now, there are these insane AI tools that can do most of that work for you in minutes. It's like having a really smart assistant who's working 24/7 just to help you create awesome content. Let's talk about how this actually works. Back in the day, content creators would spend weeks planning a single video. They'd research trending topics, analyze competitor channels, brainstorm unique angles, and that's before even touching a camera or microphone. Now, AI does all that heavy lifting in seconds. Let's say you're passionate about something, maybe travel, tech, cooking, whatever. These AI platforms can now look at what's trending, analyze successful channels in your niche, and literally generate video ideas that people are actually searching for. It's like having a crystal ball that shows you exactly what content will work. But here's where it gets wild. These tools don't just give you ideas, they can write entire scripts. Imagine telling an AI, I want a video about the top 10 hidden gems in Southeast Asia, and boom, a perfectly structured, engaging script appears. And we're not talking about some robotic, generic content. These AI scripts understand tone, structure, and what makes a story compelling. Voiceovers used to be a massive hurdle. Not everyone has a smooth, professional voice or the confidence to record themselves. Forget those robotic-sounding AI voices from a few years ago. Now, you can get voices so natural, so nuanced, you'd swear a real person is talking. Some tools can even clone your own voice with just a few minutes of recording. Stock footage? That used to be expensive and generic. Professional creators would spend hundreds, sometimes thousands on the right clips. Now, AI image generators can create custom visuals that match your exact needs. Want a shot of a futuristic Dubai skyline at sunset? AI can generate that in seconds. Need a specific scene that doesn't exist in stock libraries? AI's got you covered. Editing used to require professional skills or expensive software. Hours of cutting, transitions, adding text. It was a nightmare for solo creators. Now, AI editing tools can basically assemble your entire video automatically. Import your script, and these tools will match visuals, create smooth transitions, and even suggest engaging cuts. Here's the most exciting part, and this might sound crazy, but there's never been a better time to start a YouTube channel. YouTube's audience is growing way faster than the number of creators. Most people will watch tutorials about this stuff and do nothing. But if you actually take action, you could build something amazing. And no, this doesn't mean AI is replacing creativity. Think of these tools like really powerful assistants. You're still the brain, the personality, the unique voice. These tools just handle the technical stuff, letting you focus on what really matters, creating content people want to watch. The future of content creation is here, and it's pretty freaking awesome. Technology is leveling the playing field, giving everyone a chance to share their passion, their stories, their unique perspective with the world. If you're willing to learn, experiment, and bring your authentic self to the table, you could turn your passion into a legit career. Just remember, great content always wins, with or without AI. The tools have changed, but the fundamental rule remains the same. Create something that genuinely connects with people. For more money-making tips, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss anything from us. See you next time.